Jai Hind students. Now your bio ma'am is available with you all with whiteboard, and I will teach now and make you understand the topics with the whiteboard. Today I am starting the topic chapter 5. I am with class 12 students. So I am dealing with chapter 5 and I have provided you all already 7 slides of this chapter, that is principles of inheritance and variation. In that slides I have make you understand many small terms and many definitions and basic concepts of Mendelism also, and till now I am with 7 slides. In the 7 slides I was dealing with polygenic inheritance and multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance and pleiotropic gene. Two topic I was dealing in slide number 7. In that slide I received many questions in my WhatsApp group that the students are confusing with polygenic inheritance and multiple alleles. So in this video I am going to clear this basic concept. Okay. First of all, make us remind some important basic terms. The basic concept of genetics arises from a concept that we, the living organisms, are sexually reproducing organisms. Sexually reproducing organisms. Okay. Now we are sexually reproducing organisms and we are diploid also. Diploid means we have 2 sets of each chromosomes. Okay, we have 2 sets of each chromosome. One set N is coming from our father and one set N is coming from our mother. Okay, this chromosomes is made up of chemically DNA. Okay, this is I am making you understand where does this gene locates. ये जीन कहाँ है? हमारा सेल हो गया ये, इस हर सेल में 2n है हम लोग, एंड इस हमारा जो डिप्लॉइडी नंबर है that is 2n is equal to 46, means in each and every cell there are 46 number of chromosomes are present. Okay, n will be 23. This 23 comes from our mother and this 23, one set 23 comes from our father. Okay, this 23 chromosomes are chemically made up of DNA. Okay, the DNA, the part of the DNA that codes for active enzyme, then that part of DNA is called as gene. Okay, that part of the DNA is called as genes. Means in cell there, I am talking about Homo sapiens, we human. In cells we have, in each and every cell we have somatic cells, we have 2n sets of chromosome, means 46 number of chromosome, and 23 sets come from our father and 23 sets come from our mother, and this chromosome is made up of chemically DNA, and the part of active DNA that codes enzyme is called gene. Okay, now in a diploid organism this gene is present in its alternative form. Okay, imagine this is chromosome number 1, it is from father, then chromosome number 1 from mother, it is from mother, and then chromosome number 1 from father. These 2 chromosomes are homologous chromosome. एक ही प्रकार के क्रोमोसोम जो मदर और फादर के से आएंगे, that pairs of chromosome is called homologous chromosome. Okay, and this homologous chromosome has many genes on it. इस पे बहुत सारे जीन होंगे जो कि एक्टिवली सेवरल एंजाइम्स को सिंथेसिस करते होंगे. इस सभी जीन्स के हूबहू सेम या डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स इस पे भी, इस मदर वाले क्रोमोसोम पर भी प्रेजेंट होंगे. नाउ ऑन द homologous chromosome, imagine again a gene is present here which determines height, then the same or the different forms of this gene will be present on the mother's chromosome also, and it will also determine height. Okay, then in all living organism, if they are diploid, then each gene has two forms of chromosome, two forms of genes which will determine the same trait, जो कि सेम ट्रेट डिटरमाइन करेगा, और एक फॉर्म आपका फादर से आएगा और एक फॉर्म आपका मदर से आएगा. These two alternative forms of genes that is present on homologous chromosome and determining the same trait like height, weight, color, several enzymes, same enzymes, then it is called as alleles. तो इसको हम लोग alleles कहेंगे. Now, what was the concept of Mendel about these alleles? मेंडल का क्या कंसेप्ट था इस alleles के बारे में? Now, the Mendel's concept was that every diploid organism has two set of chromosome and each gene is present in only one pairs of allele. ये मेंडल का कंसेप्ट था. मेंडल का कहना था कि कोई भी जीन है उसका मात्र एक ही पेयर ऑफ अलील होगा. दिस इज वन पेयर ऑफ अलील, वन पेयर ऑफ अलील्स means, or it may be called as two forms of same gene. Of course, क्योंकि हम लोग डिप्लॉयड है, एक फॉर्म आएगा फादर से और एक फॉर्म आएगा मदर से. तो वन पेयर ऑफ जो ये अलील्स है, ये मेंडल का कहना था कि हर ट्रेट ओनली इट विल बी डिटरमाइंड बाय वन पेयर ऑफ अलील्स. बट while I am giving you slides in my YouTube channel, from slide number 5, 6, 7, we are dealing with non-Mendelian inheritance. What is happening in that? In this concept, multiple allele, it is also a non-Mendelian inheritance. Non-Mendelian inheritance is that the inheritance which doesn't follow the law of Mendelian. जैसे मेंडल का कहना है कि किसी एक जीन का मात्र दो फॉर्म्स हो सकता है, मीन्स एक जीन जो है एक पेयर ऑफ अलील में प्रेजेंट रहेगा. बट यहाँ पे हम मल्टीपल अलील्स को जब देखेंगे और हम मल्टीपल अलील्स में ब्लड ग्रुप को पढ़े हैं, ऑल दिस टॉपिक आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू द वीडियोस. ब्लड ग्रुप्स को पढ़े हैं. ये ब्लड ग्रुप जो है, इसका ब्लड ग्रुप का मानो जीन का नाम दिया हमने आई. इस जीन का 3 फॉर्म्स प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज IA, IB एंड स्मॉल i. ओके, लेकिन ध्यान देंगे हम लोग कि एक इंडिविजुअल में दो ही फॉर्म प्रेजेंट रहेगा, या तो IAIB या IAI या IBI, मतलब दो ही फॉर्म्स ऑफ अलील्स प्रेजेंट रहेंगे एक इंडिविजुअल की स्टडी करेंगे तो. इसलिए मैंने वीडियोस में बार बार पॉपुलेशन जेनेटिक्स की बात कही है, क्योंकि हम अगर एक इंडिविजुअल की स्टडी किए और उसमें देखे कि ये दो अलील है IA और IB, तो चलो हमें पता चला कि ब्लड ग्रुप का दो अलील है IA और IB. लेकिन अचानक हम एक दूसरे इंडिविजुअल की स्टडी किए, उसमें हमें मिल गया IB एंड I, तो हो गया ना ये तीसरा अलील I भी प्रेजेंट है. तो जब हम पॉपुलेशन स्टडी किए तो हमें पता चला कि जीन केवल वन पेयर ऑफ अलील्स में प्रेजेंट नहीं हो सकता है, इट मे बी प्रेजेंट इन मोर देन 2 फॉर्म्स और मोर देन 1 पेयर ऑफ अलील्स. लाइक दिस इज योर एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्लड ग्रुप. So all of you were asking the difference between polygenic inheritance and multiple alleles. Okay, multiple alleles, in multiple alleles we talk about the single gene. Like example I was single gene and we were talking about the different forms of this only single gene, that is IA, IB and I. Okay, this is multiple allele. Now come to this topic, that is polygenic inheritance. Okay, this what polygenic inheritance, mark here. In polygenic inheritance, what we will study that consider a chromosome disc. In polygenic inheritance, like here gene A is present, here B is present, C is present, D, E, F. Many genes are present on a single chromosome, chromosome number 1, and this is also chromosome number 1. So it is homologous chromosome. अगर यहाँ पे क्रोमोजोम नंबर 2 होगा तो ये होमोलोगस नहीं है, ये हेट्रोलोगस हो जाएगा. ओके. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो क्रोमोजोम नंबर 1 and this is also chromosome number 1. In polygenic inheritance, we talk about the traits. Trait means character that is affected by more than one genes. Like the trait will be affected by this gene also, this gene also, this gene also. Okay. We are here talking about 3 different genes. And in multiple alleles, we were talking about the different alleles of single gene. This is the difference. In multiple allele, we talk about the different forms of same genes. Or in polygenic inheritance, we talk about the different genes present on the same chromosome, or it may present on the different chromosome and affecting the same trait. ये सेम ट्रेट को इफेक्ट करेगा. लाइक हाइट, वेट, स्किन कलर, दैट इज गिवन इन योर बुक, स्किन कलर. अब इन सभी ट्रेट के साथ क्या है, इसमें केवल सिंगल जीन इफेक्टेड नहीं होता है, सिंगल जीन केवल इसको इफेक्ट नहीं करता है, बल्कि ये जो किसी इंडिविजुअल के पास स्किन कलर है उसमें सेवरल जीन्स एक्ट करेंगे ये केवल एक ट्रेट को लाने के लिए. सो हियर इन पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस वी टॉक अबाउट द multiple genes, not allele, and of course these genes have their allelic pair also, like A, here may be A, here may be small b, here may be C, or an individual may present that here A, here B, and here C. Each gene will have its own allelic pair and the several different genes will affect the trait. This is basic difference between multiple alleles and polygenic inheritance, that in multiple alleles we talk about the one gene and different allele, and in polygenic inheritance we talk about the different genes and their alleles also. Their alleles are two forms only, means single pair of alleles. Their alleles and different genes are affecting the same trait. So this is the basic difference of your multiple alleles and polygenic inheritance. I think you have understand about the multiple alleles and polygenic inheritance, the basic difference. In the further classes we will continue the different topic. Okay, thank you.